All these celebrities went to jail and came back rich. What if I tell you going to jail was a very crucial step on their road to success? I'm Hasted PV. Today I'll tell you about a man who bought cars for a number of celebrities in Zimbabwe, and another man from America who benefited from being arrested, and how going to jail made him very rich. Starting off with Sir Wicknell Chivhayo, a self-made millionaire from Africa. But before he was rich, he was once in a position where he could hardly afford to pay rent for one room. As years passed, he kept on working hard day and night. He worked very hard to an extent that he faced allegations of fraud and spent 2 years in jail. After he got out of jail, he worked very hard and came back in full force to an extent that he made a lot of money till he was suspected of doing money-making rituals. Yet he had a company which was his other source of income. He also bought cars for almost every celebrity in Zimbabwe. He used millions of dollars to buy those cars. If you're enjoying the video so far, please subscribe. The subscribe button is for free. Now back to the video. Another self-made millionaire who got into jail but later on capitalized on that is Andrew Tate. Unlike Wicknell Chivhayo, who gives free cars to people, Andrew Tate doesn't give away cars. He gives money-making education to people. He made so much money from selling courses till he was able to build a massive empire.
BMW, I don't even consider that a car. BMW, that's not a luxury car, that's basic. I'm pushing supercars.
When Andrew Tate went to jail, he sparkled news headlines all over the internet. And soon after his departure from jail, he then took advantage of the attention to also sell his online courses and showcase his wealth.
You learn things and then you're given a test, but with God, you're given the test and then you learn things.
The major similarity in Wicknell Chivhayo and Andrew Tate is that they both worked very hard till they made millions of dollars, inspiring millions of people around the world and showing us that anyone can be successful despite where you come from or the background of your family.